Right, to clean our chrome, we're going to put on a set of gloves. We're going to use some fine wire wool. We're going to use some window cleaner and a bit of a rag basically to clean it off after we've done what we need to do. So let's move on to the bumper. Right, I'm going to show you a close-up of what we're going to do, and then you're going to apply this to any part of your car that's chrome. Most classic cars, your bumpers are going to be chrome. Sometimes your moldings are chrome. Trim bits on your doors, door handles, those kind of things. So we're going to start off with by putting our gloves on. Get our gloves on. We're going to take a little bit of our window cleaner and we're going to spray the bumper like so. And this is going to allow us to glide over it a bit better. We're then going to take our wire wool and we're going to go over the bumper like so. And you're going to go over the whole bumper back and forth. Once you've done that, we're going to spray a little bit more window cleaner. We're then going to give our bumper a wipe, like so. And as you can see, that's our chrome already shining. If your chrome's deteriorated too much, you'll see there'll still be some pitting, but that chrome's definitely going to pop more in the light. Let's do the whole bumper. All right, again, spray the bumper. All right. Now get in there with our wire wool. Okay, so our bumper cleaned. Now go over it with a bit of a rag. Grab a little bit more. All right, and then we'll give it one more spray, just give it a little bit of a clean. Right, and that's our bumper clean. Thanks for joining us, and for other tech tips, join us another day. Thanks for watching.